Barbie! Yay! Look, it's beautiful!
This is the best boat, Barbie. Thanks for taking a cruise on it with me. No problem, Chelsea. I know the Dreamboat is the perfect place to relax and celebrate. Barbie, can I look over the edge and look at the water? Sure, but only just for a little bit, and make sure not to fall in. Okay. The ocean looks amazing. Can I go for a swim, Barbie? Wait, Chelsea. The ocean can be unpredictable. Let's stay on the boat, okay? Please, Barbie, just a little swim. No, sis. Safety first. Let's play on the deck instead, okay? Hold on. Before we continue, let me take some pictures so we can save all the memories we had on this boat. Cheers! Barbie, did you hear that? The holidays have gone by so quick, and school's already in 1 week. I know, I can't believe how fast they've gone. I haven't even done much yet, and it's nearly the end of the holidays. This is our first trip. Did you hear that? It was probably just nothing. Barbie, did you hear it this time? Okay, Chelsea, it might be dangerous, so you have to get to the bottom of the boat and hide under the bed. Come on, let's go. Okay, Chelsea, we're going to stay down here for a bit. Maybe the engine's not working or something. I'll check in the morning, but let's stay here for the night. Okay, but Barbie, can I use the camera and check what's in the water? Can I go for a swim now? No, it's way too dangerous, especially after that noise. Fine, but can I at least put the camera in the water to see what happens and what's going on under there? Okay, but do not go in. It's not safe. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let me put it in the water. Barbie, I just got the recording. Come on, let's have a look. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Chelsea, you won't believe this, but there's a shark. There's a shark underneath our boat. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Chelsea, did you feel that? Yeah, that was really scary. I think we just got hit again. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, did you feel that? Yeah, that was scary. Okay, Barbie, what was that? Who's knocking our boat over? It's the shark, the one we saw on the camera. He's trying to knock our boat over. Sink it. I think the best thing is to go upstairs and start the engine. We have to get out of here, now. Chelsea, stay with me and hold on tight. It's time to get out of here. It's not turning on. The engine, I think it's broken. No, nothing's working. What do we do now? Oh my gosh, it's getting really windy. And the rain started even. I think a storm's on its way. And the engine's not even working at all. And look at this big wave. Get inside, quick! We'll wait it out. But what if the shark comes back? Don't worry, Chelsea. We'll get through this together. I'll send you the distress signal. Mayday! Mayday! This is Barbie Dreamboat. Engine failure, shark nearby, and a storm incoming. We need help! That's bad. This is not working. Come on, let's get to the boat. Quick, get off the deck. Barbie! Barbie! The waves! They're getting bigger! Hold on! Do not let go! Barbie! I'm scared! It's okay, Chelsea. We'll be fine. Someone will come for us.
Hey guys, did you miss me? I am one and only Superman.
I'm a
It seems like we are needed in this mission. Let's save Barbie and Chelsea, shall we? Hey guys, did you miss me? Guess who is this? The one and only Superman and Batman. I can see the storm is getting worse. Let's get you guys out from here. Let me land this helicopter on the top of the boat, Barbie, and then you can jump in and then we off from here. Let's do this. Let's go guys, jump in. We don't have much time. The storm is getting really worse. Let's get out of here, Barbie and Chelsea. Let's go.
We saved!
Yes guys, finally you're in the helicopter and we saved the day for you.
I thought I was going to be stuck on this thing forever. Luckily, Batman and Superman are here to save the day. Happy days, happy days.
Let's go guys, and I will see you all in next adventure.
Beautiful.
Hey guys, today's Chelsea's birthday, so let's go wake her up and surprise her with a gift. Come on, let's go. Chelsea, Chelsea, come on, wake up. Today's your birthday. Come on, sleepyhead. It's your birthday. I have a good surprise for you. Come on, get up.
A surprise? What is it? Is it a cake? Is it a trip? Are we going to Disneyland?
Even better. Come on, it's outside. I'll show you. You're going to love it. Surprise, Chelsea! Do you like it? I got us horses. Now we can go horseback riding together.
Wow, Barbie! I love it! I've always wanted to go horseback riding.
Well, come on, let's try. Her name's Starfire. I think you'll really like her.
Starfire, that's such a great name. This is the best birthday ever. Thank you, Barbie.
Okay, Chelsea, when you're on the horse, make sure you hold on tight and keep your balance. Starfire is really gentle, and so don't put too much pressure on her. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, I'll show you how to ride. Wow, Chelsea, you're doing amazing. Don't be scared. Starfire is really gentle. She won't harm you.
Okay, this is really fun. I hope we can do more tomorrow.
Don't worry, we definitely will. This is only just the beginning. And plus, there's way more I have to teach to you.
Okay, I can't wait to learn.
I hope so, because there's a lot to learn. Easy, Starfire. It's just a bit of thunder. Nothing's gonna harm you. Chelsea, I think we should head back home. Thunder's on its way, and I don't want to get Starfire hurt or you hurt either. Yeah, because it started raining as well. Okay, let's go. Easy boy. Barbie, are you okay? I think I hurt my leg. I can't move it. We need help. I don't know what to do. This is my digital risk communicator. I'm gonna see if I can call anyone with it. Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Hello? Signal's not working. Wait! Superman always hears people in trouble. Superman! Help!
Hey guys, did you miss me? This is me, one and only Superman. Are you okay, Barbie there? Let me get this thing set up for you and then I have a look. Hey, let's get in, Barbie. Let's have you checked over. Okay, Barbie, I have checked your hand and your legs. It seems like there is a minor fracture in your leg and sadly in your hand. So, I recommend a lot of bed rest and a lot of healthy eating to help you to grow the bones back again. I recommend vitamin D. Okay, to get you back home, we need a wheelchair because you cannot walk like this. Now we need a wheelchair, so I'm thinking where the wheelchair is gonna come from. Where the wheelchair came from? Who brought this wheelchair? I'm a Batman. Oh, so Batman brought it. There you go, Barbie. That's your problem sorted, and I have some crutches here for you that you can use to get on the wheelchair, and let's get you home safely. Okay, Barbie, now you're all settled in your wheelchair. Let's get you home, and I wish you all the best to get better.
But what about Starfire? Where's my horse?
Oh yeah, I did not realize where did he go. I think we're gonna have to find him.
Well, what are we gonna do now?
I'm Batman. Hey, that means the Batman brought the horse back. I'm really glad to see at least Batman doing something. I'm joking. There you go, Barbie. There is your star life back in action. Batman found it.
It's actually Starfire, not Starlife.
Okay. Well, there you go. All settled in for you. Chelsea, I'm sure you are happy to have your birthday gift back.
Uh-huh.
Thank you for tuning in, guys. And we see you next time with a new adventure, and hopefully Barbie is fully recovered.
Bye.
Oh my god, weekend is over already? We didn't even get to the half of the stuff on the bucket list.
I know, right? I had so many more activities planned, and now we can't even do them.
Like, what's the point? Like, give them more time.
At least I got my new headphones. I'm so happy I got them. But the food was really nice, Sid. They had some good ice cream.
Oh my god, you know the ice cream? It was me. That was so cool. Hey, guess what? They had Frozen too. The movie was so good.
And there were snow cones. I love snow cones. They're literally the best.
Oh my god, remember when he did Frozen powers? I wish I could do that as well. But you are frozen. Oh no. It's okay.
Excuse me, are you Chelsea? Yeah. Okay, good. I just want to let you know that your plane is ready to board. So whenever you're ready, you can come. Okay?
Okay.
Anyways, guys, it's time for us to go.
Aw, can we at least come with you? Like drop you off, right?
Oh, sure. Come on, let's go.
Yay!
Let's
Come
go.
on guys, let's go. Okay. Chelsea, get your luggage too.
All right.
We're coming. Come on guys, let's go. What are you waiting for? Oh, sorry.
Okay, guys, I'm going to start opening up the airplane so everyone can start boarding.
Oh my god, this plane is so huge. This is the first time I've seen a plane this close. You guys are so lucky to have this plane. I wish I had one.
Oh, it's my mom, Barbie's plane. Anyways, I think we should really start boarding. Hope to see you next time.
Oh my god, we'll miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Shh. it's time to close the doors. Is everyone ready? Is everyone boarded? Oh my god, is there really supposed to be a gap inside the airplane? I'm so excited for this plane trip. I know, but Simba, did you see that gap inside the plane? What gap? Oh, you'll see. Okay everyone, we have officially started flying. We are officially in the air. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ladies and gentlemen, there has been an error with our engines. We are trying to get to the closest airport and land. Stay safe. Mayday! 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 Ladies, we have lost our engines completely. We're about to do a crash landing. Make sure you tighten your seatbelts and stay safe.
You miss me, guys? It's the time for me to shine. I am Superman. Alright guys, I'm here to help you out and I will fix this engine in no time and get you landing safely. Okay, I have managed to fix this engine and now I am taking this plane down calmly. As you see guys, Superman can do anything.
I'm so glad Superman is here. He saved the day.
God, what do I do now? I need extra help because I'm already holding the engine and now this door is opening. Who else can help me here now? Oh my god.
I'm a Batman. Time
close this door.
You see, guys, that's how you help together. When you can. Extra hand means extra help. And when one and one come together, things become a lot easier. The unity is strength. Now let's take this plane down safely.
Oh my god, I'm so happy we're back on the ground. That was so scary. Mom! Oh, Simba, I missed you. How was the plane? It was okay, but a lot of things happened. And then the door opened and the engine was breaking. And then some two guys called Superman, Duck, and Batman, they came to the rescue. Oh, well that sounds surprising. Anyways, where's Chelsea? I don't know. She was right behind me. Thanks, Batman and Superman Duck. You saved our plane. I was so scared.
Don't mention it. It's what we do every day.
Of course, I'm Superman.
Anyways, I have to go. My mom's probably waiting for me. But see you next time. Bye.
Bye, little girl.
Bye, Chelsea.